Hmm?
Hello friends, myself Rachna and you're watching Near to Success. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. There are lots of videos related to contests, scholarship programs whose last date is pending and you can go through it and you can apply for the contest competitions. Today we are going to discuss about the Wildlife Week Celebration 2020 which is organized by Kerala Forest and Wildlife Government. First of all, what you are going to do will you will type www.forest.kerala.government.in, right, on the Google. After that, you will receive a page. In notification section, you will click on Wildlife Week Celebration 2020. After clicking on that, you will see that page will open. Right, this page will be open where multiple contests like Wildlife Week Celebration 2020 photography contest is there, Wildlife Travel Log Writing Contest is there, Wildlife Short Film Contest is there, Wildlife Online Quiz Contest is there, Wildlife Poster Design Contest there. So they are organized many contests. You can find out the details of each of the contest, but in this video I'll explain you about quiz contest, right? So they're asking when you will click on that image of quiz competition or any of the competition, they'll ask you, do you want to download quiz again? Because I have already downloaded it, so I'll open that page only. You can download it. After clicking on that image, that complete PDF is downloaded. You can see it. What you have to do, you will take a print of this registration form, right? You can see here, this is a registration form in which you will paste a passport size photo over here, and you will fill out your details like your name, gender, age, name of the institute means like your school name or the college name, district, category, address, identification proof like your ID card, contact number, email ID, right? And your ID card should be self attested, right, and undertaking by signing your registration form. Now we are going to discuss complete term and conditions, rules of the competition, because these are very important to apply for the competition. First of all, we will talk about the eligibility. In this contest, higher secondary and college students of Kerala are eligible. Children of employees and associate means like if you are a employee in KFD or you are a children of KFD, so you are not going to apply in this, right? Agreement of the rules. If you are fulfilling the eligibility criteria of KFD rules, conditions, then only go through it. Otherwise, you can leave it, they'll disqualify you. Let's talk about registration period. The participant shall register for the wildlife quiz between the time period of September 15th to September 30th. 30th September tak, right? You can apply in this contest. Last registration will be summarily rejected. If you will apply after the last date, it means if you will apply after 30th September, you will be rejected. Now this is very important, how to participate. What you are going to do, you will download this PDF first. You will take out the print of registration form. You will fill out your details that we are already discussed. You will take a photo of your identity card. Both the things you will mail on this given email ID, right? You will email both the things in the attachment form on this given email ID, right? Next, the quiz will be related to nature, wildlife, biodiversity conservation. This is the theme of the contest, that contest will be related to nature, wildlife, biodiversity conservation. Date of the contest is 3rd October. Your quiz will be on 3rd October 2020. Now let us see the mode of the conduct of wildlife quiz competition. The mode of the conduct is online. It would be on Google form, and it is divided into two parts, means like there will be different timings for higher secondary and different timing for college students. For higher secondary students, it would be 7:30 to 8 p.m. on 3rd October, and for the college students it would be 8:30 to 9 p.m. on the same date, 3rd October. The quiz will be of 25 questions, and you'll get the link of that quiz on 2nd October on the registered email ID and the mobile number that you filled in your registration form, right? But that link will be enabled on the same date of the quiz. Like for higher secondary, it will be enabled on at 7:30, and for the college students it would be enabled at 8:30. The contest shall type answer in the Google form and submit, right? Next, the registration form received will be scrutinized on October 1st, 2020 by the, okay fine, it's not our work, it's their work. Selection of the winner and the notification. The record the answer from each contestant received online will be synchronized. Okay, the decision of the, ठीक है, the result will be come on 8th October, right? You will be notified by your email or the telephone number. A person who will receive full marks, right? A person who will receive full marks, full score will be recognized with the certificate, and there is no cash prize in this competition. So KFD reserve the right to sole discretion, cancellation, termination, modify or suspend the contest. It's okay, right? So these are the details. I hope you got all my points. If you feel any doubt, you can ask me in a comment box. Let's talk about other competitions also. So in the same way, you can find out the details of short film contest, poster making contest, and every contest they are going to organize, right? So this was the video. If you feel any doubt, if you feel like that we are not getting any point, so feel free to ask me in the comment box, or you can join my Telegram channel to clear your doubts in more comfortable manner. So friends, okay, wait for the next video. Thank you.